Hosting on Llivo isn't just about rentals, it's about creating memories and forging new connections. Welcome to Llivo, where every host has the chance to transform a stay into an unforgettable journey. Our platform isn't just about providing a bed for the night. It's about opening doors to human connection, cultural exchange, and genuine friendships. Imagine hosting someone like Maria from Mexico City, who welcomed an American backpacker and later attended his wedding in California. Or James in London, who turned a short-term guest into a business partner and lifelong friend. These stories aren't unique, they're the heart and soul of Llivo. Unlike other platforms focused on transactions, Llivo prioritizes experiences and friendships. For hosts, it means lower fees and a community-driven approach. For guests, it's about personalized stays and meaningful connections. So how do you turn a guest into a friend? Start with a warm welcome, perhaps a local snack or a friendly smile. Share your favorite hidden gems and invite them to join in a homemade meal or local adventure. And remember, a simple follow-up message can turn a brief stay into a lasting bond. At Llivo, hosting isn't just about renting a space. It's about opening doors to lifelong friendships. Ready to experience the magic of hosting? List your property on Llivo.com today and turn strangers into friends.